Hi everyone, welcome to Amaze Interiors. Now I am at Appaswamy Platina, Porur, flat number 1124. Now let's have a look at the flat. Now we're at Foyer area, which has got texture paintings on both the sides. And to make it elegant, the center space has been filled with a plain color, which has got pebble trays on both the sides with colorful pebbles, and it has also got storages in this area. It has beautiful C-shaped designs with false ceilings. This makes the place really radiant. Now we're in the living room. Let's have a look at the TV panel, which has got marble finish with metallic stripes, and the color combination goes with black and white, which makes it really cool. And it has also got circular designs on it. Plus we have small storages too. Let's have a look at the ceilings too, which has got CNC flower shaped designs, which is really pretty. And it has also got spotlights. The living room has got an L-shaped sofa, and it has got a white partition which matches the sofa. Now we are at the dining hall, which has a stockery unit. The upper portion has ledges placed in a different attractive manner, and it also has closed doors with glass, and the base unit also has storage with drawers, which is really spacious. And it has also got the granite, which gives really pretty look. Now we are at the main place of the dining hall, which has got a beautiful dining table with white marble on top of it, with wooden legs and wooden chairs. Now let's have a look at the ceiling, which is square shaped and it's simple but really elegant. Now let's have a look at the puja unit, which is made out of wood, which has a color sum on the top and CNC designs carved beautifully, which has also got frosted glass with bells, which completes the look of the unit. Even the handles are carved in a manner which gives a divine look. Even this has got a good storage place. Now we are at the kitchen. The kitchen has got two units. One is the hanging unit and the base unit. The base unit has got profile handles, which makes the kitchen concealed and gives a neat finish. The hanging unit has got lacquer glasses. The base unit has also got accessories, that is plain, and there is also a special place for chimney, and the storages are fixed with hydraulic. And there is a tall unit which has got two containers, and there is one special place provided for the microwave oven. The wash area is provided with a beautiful wooden carved with a mirror, and the storage is provided in the shape of steps, which gives a unique and different look, and also it is provided with a spotlight. We are in the first bedroom, which has got arrested doors, which will slide, and it has got white laminated fixed with a glass on the one side and the other with laminated sheets, and the door goes up till the ceiling, so on here is a single door, and which can be replaced according to your wish. And the cupboards are really spacious, which has got drawers and adjustable shelves and a hanger. It has also got sliding arrested doors, which is fixed with glass. The bedroom has a queen size cot, and it is also provided with a cushion, which is really comfortable and good design. The bed has also got the storage containers on both these sides, which also has drawers. We've also got a TV panel, which is carved out of wood, and it has strips, which makes it unique, and it is provided with small drawers, and it also has got a study unit, which is really cool, and the room is provided with a fancy light. We are in the second bedroom, which has got 4-door wardrobes with mirror placed on one of the doors. Even these wardrobes are really spacious, and which has got adjustable shelves, which has got a lock for storage and a steady unit, which makes the place really comfortable. And this is also queen sized bed with metallic strips and it is also provided with a cushion which has got diamond strips on it, which makes it really comfortable, and the room is also provided with a fancy light. Now we are in the guest room, which has got 4-door wardrobe, which is also really spacious, and it is also provided with loft area for storage, and it has also got a queen sized bed with white color combination with sandal color, and the speciality of the room is provided with a beach effect, which has a good color combination with white, and the bed is also provided with a storage. Now we are at the place of the house which has got a stone cladding wall, which has got 2 ledges where you can place your decors, and the wall is provided with leaf patterns, which makes it really beautiful and attractive. For home interior solutions, don't hesitate to contact us. This is Priya signing off, Amaze Interiors. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.